Hi, I'm Jean Panic-Kiefner, the Director of Sales at Thursby by Identiv. This is part 4 of our 12-part Rosa for Android user guide series. In this video, we're going to talk about the various icons in the toolbar and how to use them. If you don't know what Rosa is, or if you're not sure which app to download, I recommend checking out the first video in this series. A link to that is available in the video description below. Let's get started. The address bar works just like any other browser's address bar. While most sites should be accessible, the only time you should run into an issue is if the site is using a very old or expired certificate. If the SSL certificate was signed by an authority not in our trust list and is inaccessible, or if it's running software that isn't supported by Android, like Java or ActiveX. Next to the address bar are several different icons. The first of these is an icon of several boxes. This button will display the page navigation buttons, such as back, forward, refresh, and stop. The key icon will take you to the user keychain, where you can view the certificate on your smart card. The user keychain will display the certificates on your card when the card is in the reader. This is a useful tool that can help you determine if your certificates are available. The menu in the user keychain allows you to enable dual persona if you're required to use your PIV cert on your CAC. These settings typically do not need to be modified unless suggested by a Thursby support specialist. The Open Windows button will appear when you have more than one open window in the browser. Tapping this button will take you to a screen that will display all of the available windows. To select a different window, swipe the front window in a downward direction. This will move the first window to the back of the list and bring the next one forward. Another way to change the active window is by swiping from the edge of the screen. As you drag your finger from the edge to the center, the windows will dim and a new one will appear. If you wish to go back to the previous window, swipe in the opposite direction. When you have reached the end of the Open Windows list, you will see the overscroll graphic. If you've accessed your OWA email account in Rosa before, you should see an icon of an envelope. We'll discuss this more in part 9 of this series. The final icon you'll notice is the 3-dot menu. We'll cover this in more detail in our next video. If you have questions about anything you saw in the video today, or if you would like more information on our products, please feel free to reach out to us by phone or email. We'd be happy to answer your questions. Thank you for your time today. I hope you found this video helpful.